Somebody subs up and welcome to this very new stream from me. And yeah, uh, hold up. I kind of forgot the music. Ooh. Anyways, we're back. And if you guys well can read, then can see that we have a new project. Or let's not say new. Let's say under a new management. But first of all, the usual. Holy shit, guys. We like gained 30 members. We gained like 30 members. 30! Wait. Oh, what the hell? It's funny because I used to test something and well, that's funny. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna be developing on the preview edition, so I already set up the project like just a little bit, just so you guys can see what I have already done and what we already need to do. Right, so yeah, let's go into one of the worlds. Let me show you what already has been done. It's not much. So this project will be from the ground, and that's literally all. The health and the mana. That's all. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. Basically recreating the whole project. And yes, we're gonna use BTS, and I think we're gonna push out early versions of this project way earlier. Like make a test server where you guys can play, and yeah. I think I'm streaming with the wrong settings though, because I did not meant to stream with 4040p or 44p. Oh yes, this is what we got. So, what if it works though? I don't know. I haven't touched this in a while actually. So let's see. This is like the main entry point. Ah, I see, and this is like where we. Those are the defaults, right? So if there's no value for it, it just. We got pretty much nothing, guys. Which is good, I guess, because all of you can look at my progress, I guess. But yeah, so the first thing that I kind of want to do is the health system. Hi and hello, Revier. What's this project? This project is how can I say it? It is meant to be a RPG style type of project. I don't know, you guys probably heard of Hypixel Skyblock, right? Yeah, something like this. Oh yeah, I did some debugging. Like, I haven't touched this in a while, even though this is basically nothing. Yeah, we're gonna work on that. So, health system, right? So, actually, I have to restart my stream once because my internet cannot keep up this quality. So yeah, give me. What is this? Oh, okay. Give me 2 seconds. Sup, I should be live again. Alright, I should be here. Guys, we already had this kind of project once, okay? Here's the thing. There's like some... Yeah, exactly. So guys, if you can see me, just let me know please for a second. Because I don't know if it like ended my stream. Yeah, we already had some kind of this project, right? We already had it. Like, let me show you guys what we had in the old version. And what the problem was with the old version. I mean, first of all, the errors, right? And yeah, sup guys. Oh my god, what happened to the model? I think it's because I'm not using a custom... If I use like any skin... Huh? It didn't apply. Also the UI looks horrible, right? I'm just saying. That could be improved on. Yeah, if I use custom skins, the skin is fine. There's of some bones, right? This is what I had previously. Like this is just regular armor, right? There were a few weapons, which I am gonna recycle. But here's the problem. Since Minecraft updated, right? Nothing works anymore, because everything is out of date, you know? Like, see, this is normally how a weapon should look like. And hello, Black Virus. This is how a weapon should normally look like. But you guys can see it doesn't apply anymore. Because the pack isn't working anymore. And also those, you guys can see, that doesn't work. How are you? Well, I'm fine enough. So yeah, you guys can see it just doesn't do anything. Nothing. I mean, I can still, like, hopefully summon some entities to show... Yeah. Like, there was some modeling going on, right? Work on less. Yeah, but this is not just less, this is like... This code died over a long period of time. It's not recoverable anymore, to say the least. Some features got replaced or straight up removed, which is why I decided to redo all of this. But that's a good thing on this project. You guys can still view the old streams. So if you guys quite don't know what this is all about, you guys can, I don't know, check out the old project. We will re-implement this guy someday. But today is not the day for it. Today we have to scratch the surface level. So the health system, right? Yeah. Alright, Phoenix is sick. Thanks. I made it. Yeah, you see this health bar thingy kind of thing? Obviously in this thing it doesn't work anymore, but it used to work. So yeah, we're gonna re-code, we're gonna try to recode that. So, runtime display, let's make a health display. Let's make a file called like health display. Whoops. .js. Then, yeah, let's also make an index because we're gonna have multiple displays for, yeah. I'm just gonna export from, can I please, no? /display health display. Also, I'm using Regolith. If you don't mind, what's up with the client modules waiting room in all your stream titles? Right. So, it's kind of a joke, right? It's kind of a joke, okay? But basically, client modules have been leaked for a while now. They're confirmed for a while now. But as you guys can see by the titles, they aren't really coming to us. And well, I kinda asked Mojang for it, and they said that they wanna get the API stable first before they release new content, right? They wanna make the development experience better to like release all that good stuff. Oh, they're confirmed, yes. Actually, I myself have found them inside the Minecraft's code, like inside the exe. Like there are like 4 modules that we don't know of yet, or that we haven't seen yet, but are in the code. They don't really do anything because they still need external dependencies, but their names are already confirmed. So yeah, how do we want to do this, guys? So we could basically just system.run schedule, right? Or run interval. We could literally just do that. And guys, look at this. I have a new keyboard. That's why I can finally type this. And no, we're not gonna create a JSX fragment. Alright. So we just get every entity. Just a for loop for const entity of world.get entity. Nope, world.get dimension.get entities. Oh, that's awesome. So we are getting client side scripts. Yes, but also no. Just gonna take a while. A long while. They won't be coming in the near future. That's why it's a running gag. You know. So yeah, let's dimensions over world will be equal to world.get dimension over world. So you might ask yourself what the hell this is. You see, in JavaScript there's a thing called a global dist. And the global dist is available anywhere without importing anything, right? So instead of getting the dimension every time, we're just gonna have this Skyl object containing the overworld as property. So what this allows us to do is const is equal to Skyl. You see, this is just out of nowhere. Without any imports, it just exists, okay? And this is the magic of global this. And it works everywhere, almost everywhere. So, and then we can just actually let's rename this to like ov dot get entities. Because if you guys didn't know, if I would have used get or get dimension inside the loop, it would trigger inside the loop, like every time the loop ran. And this is a common mistake I made in the old version of Skylandia. They used word.getDimension every time. But we don't need to get the dimension every time. We need to get the dimension once. That's really inefficient, especially when you do this at a larger scale. Yeah. So, the old system, how it worked was... That's a great tip, thanks. No problem. And hello, Leon Rip. Cover stream. We're just gonna... entity.name tag is equal to... well, the entity's type ID, and then we have to filter if it's a player or not, so we can literally just use an if statement. If entity.type ID is equal to Minecraft player, then do this, else this. Wer spricht Deutsch? No, because the biggest part of my viewers are English. Why would I not speak English? Wonder if you could make a dimension class array that you can import to get those cache dimensions. Sure. Of course you can, like... yeah. This could have been... right? This could have been just an array, you know? This could also be an array. With like overworld, nether, but... it's harder to access something named from an array instead of like having a key and a value. Can I make lifesteal? Is it possible? Yes, of course. For that I would have to do custom enchantments, but I will do custom enchantments eventually. And then we can literally just entity.nameTag is equal to... Actually, let's not check for the type ID. This is a bad habit that I myself kinda did, kinda learned from... We actually want to check for the instance. If instance or entity is an instance of player. Because if you're using this, then we will actually get the player methods like name, right? This is only available for the player, as you can see here. So this is actually better than testing for a type ID. Yeah, Dingsel, do you post add-on on MCB PDL? No, but, and hello, Jarek, but I have my own website. This is actually a very good question, because I have my own website where I upload my things. It's skyls.de. You guys can also view it, or you guys can also visit it from the description. The first link is this website. And if you click on code browser, right, you have all this code, right? You can just download without support if you guys don't want to support me, and then you just have this code for free. Just like that, and then you can obviously just download. Just like that. So yeah, I will continue uploading my code on Skyls. On Skyls. So yeah. How the code is encrypted? What do you mean the code is encrypted? I made a video on how to deobfuscate code, but... name tag is equal to... I mean... Name... I see why. Like this, and we can literally just name, and then Skyle, colon, current health, comma, max health. And then we have the player's name. Then the then we just current health, max health, and we might as well just include our emoji symbols, heart. Since the dev obfuscate the code to make it unreadable. And then we just have this heart emoji. I know, should we leave a space here? Probably not, right? Like, we could do something like this, and then... I don't know. Well, let's see it without, okay? Let's just look at this. Oh, guys, we would have... we might need a second player for that, which is not ideal. Yeah, let's, yeah, no. Not gonna get a second player. And are slash commands possible for single player worlds? Real custom commands? No. Except if you wanna use a slash script event. Like slash script event and then, I don't know, teleport home or some shit. That would work. But no. What are you writing with your code? Skylandia, it's like a Hypixel Skyblock clone, but not really. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Const health component is equal to entity.get component health, and this is a at type entity health component. And then we can literally just set the entity's name tag to basically whatever this is. We'll still have to do something for the strings, right? But you guys will see. Can I do this? Yes, I can. Current and and value. Can I just entity dot type ID? I will change the type ID thingy, but for now, current dash value like this. Also hi. Oh hi. Why just instead of using TypeScript? Lol, because TypeScript takes time. I don't like TypeScript. I think that the combination of TypeScript and JavaScript is better than using just TypeScript. Like in some cases you really just don't want to use TypeScript. It's so much better for the scripting API, lol. Yeah, but only because the types are shit. Like if they would improve their types, then we wouldn't need TypeScript. Oh yeah, regolith. Love it so far. I mean, okay, wait, cannot convert to object. 12. I think it doesn't like that. I think it doesn't like that. Comp. But why doesn't it like that? Oh. Why did I? Okay, now let's grab a random entity. Wait. Ah yeah, because some entities don't have health. So we can just if we can do that actually inside of here. Entity dot has component health. We continue. Just like that. No errors. Minecraft cheap 88. Alright. Now it's at the heart emoji. Ah, the heart emoji is a bit offset, but it's not a problem in the script, so it's fine. So it's fine. Yeah, the emoji is a bit scuffed, but yeah. Can I use lang files to translate this name, or do I have to? How do entities get their names? Shit. How do? Like I don't wanna make a script to translate all that shit, but I think I have to. Let's look if there's like a NUS or it really doesn't matter actually. Oh, I just search for like sheep. Entity.sheep.name. But it doesn't have the Minecraft identifier. Do you know what happened? Why the variable said this wouldn't work? I tried using it, was highlighted in VS Code and it didn't work in game. I know, then you probably did something wrong. You have to use those, or no, those, right? You cannot use those or those. You have to use these, right? Then you have to make sure that the value is actually correct. So yeah, let's try to use a entity dot and then entity dot type ID dot split at colon split at colon return the first element and then dot name. Like this. Can make split only split a limit. I really only want to split it once. Now if I reload. Entity undefined.name. Okay. Why is it undefined? Percent entity dot ocelot dot name. But like, it's not because of the color code, is it? If it is, then I don't care. But like, you see, this works. And if I do this, then it also works, right? Yeah. So why doesn't it work for names? Sad. So much potential. Let's actually try to not put it here. Try it there, but no, I don't see a reason why that would be the issue. Yeah. Kinda sad that lang keys don't work for names. But it is what it is. So, function, function of format name. And we could use like some kind of method to translate the name, but it's really not worth it. It's really not worth it. Lifesteal. Format, right, and then we just format name for entity.type ID. We id.split at this, and then we array.map where never mind, let's split at this first, return the first element, make it only for one element, then we split at this, and for each element we go over it, x.char at 0, the 0 base, okay, dot 2 uppercase, to locate. What is to locate uppercase? It's in two, we just need 2 uppercase, right? So this would just return array.join split of undefined. Let's see where it fails. I bet it's this one. But why? Display 9. Yeah, so it's this one. Can we create this item on Shulker? I could. But I will not. Map of undefined, yeah. Well, what is array anyways? Undefined. Okay. I mean, calling this area is kind of weird, actually. Why are we calling this? Okay. Let's see. What is it without the... Huh? Maybe like this? Okay, that worked. The limit has to be 2, so it doesn't... I see why though. And then we can continue to split it. Nothing, and then we map where X. So this should only return the first uppercase letter. I feel like I didn't save. I did save. But it returns the... Oh, because map... Yeah, okay, got it. Oh, I meant oopsie. Dot join... Like this. Now only the first letter. Yep, okay. These kind of spaces. Can replace or replace all videos? Yeah. These kind of spaces nor. Nah, but like... Oh yeah, it's the underscore that I need to split. Thanks, guys. Okay, it's the underscore I need to replace with nothing. Or like we could split it. We can actually split it. Just split at the underscore. Actually no, we cannot split because the we could split. Oh my god, you guys are messing with my head. Stop. All right, and then x dot chat at uppercase, and then plus x dot substring of 1. I'll just look at my thing above lol. I think it got filtered out because of... Oh yeah, it got filtered out. I think that my solution would also work. Yeah, see? Oh no. Spawn piglin brood. What the hell is bro cooking? Okay, we don't need to split it, we actually still need to replace it. Because we wanna have the thing. Now it's not an array anymore. We just... My god, you guys are messing with my head. All you guys. There we go. Send you on Discord if you want. I think that my solution is a little bit cleaner. Wait, hold up. What are you doing? Yep, you're doing the exact same thing as I do. Then you replace... And you replace with nothing, then you split every character, and then for each character, then you join. This is way more effort though, no? Because you're splitting at nothing, so you have a really big array, and you map every array, and then... And what? I see, because it's... V2. Ah, because the... me too. There are some entities that have V2, right? But do they still exist in Hello Death Singer? Ah, Conmaster. I update your preview. What? Okay. Conmaster just randomly told me to. Leaked password. Ah shit, man. You might have to reset your thingy, okay? But I think it's already not a thing anymore, so yeah. A zombified piglin is not zombified piglin. I will take a look, okay? I mean, it's not like piglins are gonna spawn anyways, but yeah. It's not working anymore, though. Well, shouldn't. Yeah. I thought so. But we'll take care next time, okay? Hold on, I'll check. No. Okay, the stream might lag a bit because I'm getting new preview. No, this is fine for now. Actually, let's make it even more performant. Now, are you doing this every frame? Why not only when the entity is spawned? Because there will be other. I mean, I would have to create a proxy whenever the entity gets damaged or something, because we're gonna use our own damage methods and our own damaging system. This is a bit simpler than yeah. But we're gonna have our own damage systems, and for that we, yeah. Whereas displays health too, yeah. Yeah, but other than that, yes, we could do that. Our const cache, we can literally just do a cache thing. Const new map. We're gonna make it even more performant, okay? So if cache dot has ID, then we return map or cache dot get, and then the ID. Yeah. So why are you working? Say we. I do. Make event handler with you can make a event handler with dynamic imports. I will for the weapons and shit. But not for the other stuff. I'm not gonna accept user import as like stuff, but yeah. But the problem with dynamic imports is that they create a huge spike when you load in the world. Other than that, I love dynamic imports. Oh no, yeah, okay, but at least we we're right in time. But yeah, I will take I will take that into consideration when okay, actually my previous updated. Why did Conmaster tell me to update my game? But I will know. Or I did know. Okay, right, new map, and then it's doing all this shit, and then where it comes. By the way, for stuff like this you should do semicolons, because never mind, Visual Studio Code is stupid. Const string, and then just this. And then we'll do this. Cache.set ID to str, return str. This is the most performant thing that it can get. Because, I don't know if it's kind of getting annoying, but I will explain what it does. So, format name with the entity type ID, right? Then, it will check this object here. A map is like an object. Chatstream crashed. No, it didn't. Then we'll check this object if it has the ID property. And if so, return the value. And if this is not the case, Then we'll just generate this name. We'll set the map. We will set the ID to the string. It's like a database, right? A key value database. The key and the value. And then we'll just return the string. So this is actually the most, the best method for doing this. At least I think so. If you guys have any other options, then let me know. Please make more videos like Velocity. Okay. What the hell? What was the first error that occurred when I loaded in? There. Character property word initialize of undefined. Ah, those little. I know what they did. Yeah, we have to update our types. Okay, guys, every pack that you know will break after the new update. After like the preview comes out, or 1.20, right? I'm sorry to tell y'all, but yeah. Please make more videos like Velocity. What do you mean by that? More videos to the Velocity topic? Or more videos in that style? So we want 0 downloads now. Oh my god, guys, I get points! Woo! More Xbox points! This is actually kinda good because I can afford League of Legends Riot points with that. This is actually a nice feature that you get points for like, just gaming. This is really cool, it's like printing money. Alright, and now events shouldn't exist. Yeah, it's now after events. Ooh, fancy. And this, we literally don't need this anymore. Everything should be right? Very property word initialize of undefined. What? Oh, because I closed regolith. Yeah. Reload. Hey, it works again. Enter sheep. Hey, enter sheep also works. Wait, if we damage it. Yes, it works. I mean, you guys don't hear any sound. I always have it like 22 in every game. You see? It actually takes damage. And then it dies. Tragic. Bye bye. I got the health display for the entity, but I'm not really sure about the player. It should work, but we still need a health. Player health.js. Yes, is there a way of making the player take absolute 0 damage without using the resistance effect and the min property for the health component? Is there a way to make the player take 0 damage? Not really. Because the problem with this system is maybe cancel the event. There is no event to cancel the there's no before event for damage, sadly. False. Before damage would be POG. I mean, what before events even exist? Like, look at this. This is nothing. Make a player component group. Again, I cannot use the min damage property. I know that, or the min using all types before damage would be before. Yeah. And after events are shit. There are more before events? No, not really. And this is the most up to date you can get. I just got it from, I don't know. I just downloaded them from npm. Can't take damage, so just damage sensor. Damage sensor. You see, I'm not really sure if the damage sensor can... Let's see. Maybe you can still damage the player with the scripting API. If there's a damage sensor. We would really only need to do this once, right? So world at get all players dot map x dot apply damage 10. What kind of options are there? Cause? Is there like a void cause? There's a entity damage cause dot void. So yeah, now let's make your own health. I want to make my own health system. The problem is that fall damage is still a thing. What the hell? Damage sensor all false. Was my idea. It just does it like for 2 ticks. Oh yeah. I need to execute this after the... This is so awkward. This new system. World dot Minecraft damage sensor triggers all damage faults. Yeah, I already have that. Fall damage faults. I still want fall damage to be a thing, okay? World dot events after events dot world initialize dot subscribe, and then we'll just... Do I even have to make it its own function? Can't I just... Yeah, no, I still have to. Like this. This should fix the problem. Where now? Now it really does not have a reason to error out. Dude, what is this new system, man? I mean, what you could... Damn property current health at get current health is not defined. Wait. So... the prototypes. We would have to do this also on world initialize. Solution, don't use dynamic properties. What, are you gonna expect me to use scoreboards? Really think that there is a way to do stuff better than dynamic properties? Oh. But this will only work for... Exactly. That's what I thought. This is so awkward, this system. Alright. Get current health max... Wait, what? Wait, what? larger game developer released Nox packages. Yep, I know. You mean node packages? Yeah. I don't know, man. I mean, it's pretty dangerous. I see the reasons why they don't want to do this. Like it's an actual concern to give the players node modules. Like again, I talked with the game test developer leader about this once, and so first of all, the reason why they don't want to give us like access to like a database system or stuff like that is because, well, infinite storage, right? You would have access to the whole storage. You can clog up the storage, and by the way, the errors are gone finally. You would have access to the whole storage. You could clog up the storage, even if you have no access to like other directories than the pack, right? You could still clog up the storage, the whole space, right? So then there was the argument, hey, just add a toggle, and people would just ignore it. Like, imagine you guys would see like a form that would say, "Hey, warning! This pack uses blah blah blah." You wouldn't give a fuck and would just click on proceed or something. Let's be honest. So I don't know. The concern is there, but like the. I think you guys get what I mean. It's complicated. And for the server net module, right? What stops someone from like logging your data, or not like logging your data and then just sending it to like a server? Clog up the storage. You could just fill up the storage with random shit of data to well, yeah, you could just fill up the storage with data that's eventually useless. Like, that doesn't do anything, you know. That's the problem. Right, I mean, if someone sends you a custom pack, yeah, exactly. For example. What are you talking about? I missed the last few minutes, right. We talked about like Mojang giving us access to storage or NPM modules or all that stuff. I just said it was, yeah, too unsecure. Damage. Amount. Oh, that would be a cool thing. Yeah, but it's not really realistic. Now then we have an apply damage function, which will get the current health. Or we can just literally do player dot skyl dot current health is minus equal to the amount, right? Oh, new health bigger or equal to 0. Just return. You guys will see what all of this does in a second. Wait, for this I can actually use TypeScript. And then we have a apply damage function. Oh, apply damage function, which is just this. Amount, number, just a died boolean. Is that how it works? No. What does it resolve into? How does this shit work? I only use the other syntax, which is deprecated. Only use this syntax. Amount, number. Or does it just need a number? Like, oh shit. Like this. Yeah, I think it was. Number, and it returns a boolean. But this was deprecated as far as I know. Yeah, but I don't like TypeScript. I mean, this does work, but it... yeah. Wait, wasn't this the exact way that I wrote it down? Wasn't this the exact same thing? Oh, I think I did like... I think I named this. Why TypeScript is amazing? Because it takes time to write. And I think that the combination of both is better. Like this. And there we go. But still, Java Edition allows full access to every bit of data from the server, and hacking, modding Bedrock is very possible to its databases. Yeah, in Java you can do that because people are literally decompiling the game, okay? Mods in Java or server software does only exist because people have access to basically the whole source code. On Bedrock, you have Bedrock is written in C++, and it's not really that possible. I'm gonna spell with 1M. Thanks. It's not really that possible. I mean, you can try, of course. Died. Do I even need this? Apply to... I don't know. Does this look good? Fuck it. We don't need this. Right. So what do we do now? Now we have to... Oh, hi, Con. Oh, hey. There he is. Oh, the whisper messages are weird. Let me fix it real quick. Not this. Just need to reset the color code once it's... Shouldn't bug out. Bro, I don't... okay. But it actually is because tools like FriendConnect to host a world that redirects you to. So yeah, but it doesn't really have to do with Minecraft. It has to do like with the endpoints and RegNet. It's not the actual Minecraft code that you are accessing with that. It's more like the networking part. You can modify that, of course. And the only reason that Bedrock server software exists is because Bedrock server software includes symbols or like, yeah, program debug protocols. Not protocols, but basically you have symbols that kind of explain what everything does, so people can make custom server software. But you cannot really modify the Minecraft client except you're using DLL injections. Except when you're using them. Oh yeah. I. Hmm. Make some kind of system right now. Yeah. Health. Health. This software modifies the vanilla BDS and adds support for plugins up to date. Which being up to date, like yeah, like some of which I know that are kind of good are BDS and Light Load BDS or BDSX. Sorry. I could make an external Node.js app that points to the paths from the information you had. What I mean, it's called Light Loader. Oh yeah, that's exactly what I mean. Right. Player health. How do you want to do this? So, I would always like. Actually, we could use the word that after or before events. After events. That entity hurt event. Entity removed. Yeah, they added some pretty nice stuff. Oh, look. I've added you back. Const something like equal to, event. So the damage is important, I think. And the... Oh no, it doesn't, because we're gonna... So my idea on how to solve this is we're gonna make every entity have its own... Yeah, it's we're gonna make every entity deal 0 damage. And yeah, then just apply the damage using like some kind of constant variable. Like, I don't know, just read from a list how much damage the entity deals. For that we don't actually need the damage, right? Hurt entity. Is it an entity? Yes, it is. So let's check if the entity is not a player. We can. I'm too lazy, so I'm just gonna grab it from here. But we want to have a return. What? This is not the... I copied the wrong thing! There. Oh, I still need to add him. Yeah, at this point it would have been faster if I would have just written it down. What? Play animation options? Why? If you want the player health stored externally, get the location of it in RAM with a cheat engine endpoint. I know how cheat engine works. But I'm not gonna make a... Like, I know how to get pointers. But cheat engine doesn't cancel, like, if you have something that doesn't cancel damage, it just overwrites every state. So even if you even if you have like, yeah, as Horin was made. Yeah, I know, but that's Horian is using DLL injections and trying to and finding pointers, right? But again, you don't actually have access to the code. Like, you have to reverse engineer it, and that's the whole difference. In Java, in Java Edition, you don't have to reverse engineer shit. You can just look at the code and tell what's going on, which is why it's so much easier to do things in Java. Like, I would have to sit here at least, like, I don't know, 30 minutes to get a pointer for the player's health, which is, I don't know, like, which might even change every update. I mean, you could have offsets or some kind of set. I'm not really that deep into that, but yeah. We just. This is just the health sink, right? We can just get the component. Like, this is just to sync the health with the actual health. And we're gonna disable fall damage. Healable. What is a healable? Oh, it's changed from system to system and update to update. Yeah. Yeah, and now I need to disable fall damage because if it gets out of sync, you're gonna be in like some kind of weird state. I can show it to you guys in a second. We're just gonna comp.set current. Gonna set the I forgot. We need the oh, oops. Herd entity. I'm gonna call this player so bad. Player. Skyle. Right there. We have current health, current max health. Current health. Max health. Right, then I wanna get percentages from that. And with the percentages, I wanna calculate how many hearts it would be, right? So, what's our opinion on Rust? I think it's kinda overrated, but also I kinda think it's very useful. Like, people are really exaggerating on how useful it is. I strongly believe that it's a very strong language that matches or is even better than C++. But like saying that it like replaces C++ and all that shit, I don't know. They're kinda exaggerating. But the language itself is really cool. I might take a look into it. Current health times. Windows now has some code replaced by Rust. Yeah, I know. Oh, what? And divide by 50. What is this? It's a Super Mario Sunshine screenshot. I think it has to be the other way around, no? Forgot how percentages work. 50 cent. Yeah, I think it has to be the other way around. Max self times 100, and then we can just boop, boop. No, big math, please. Not math. Math. Let's round. Sure, we can round. Gotta convert the percentages into hearts. Hearts is equal to percentages by 20 with 100% divided by no. Need to divide it by 5. Can also round that, I guess. Like this. Oh, we really don't have anything to test it on, but... Huh? Wait a minute. It's because of the damage sensor, isn't it? Sometimes I just... Okay. We are not using damage sensors. I think that damage sensors won't work in our case. The moment you realize a teacher was already needing math equation in future, because you want to learn software development. Man, I never doubted that I wouldn't need to use math. I always knew that I am gonna use math. It's just that I don't remember shit. Yeah, okay, so at least the health updates, right? The problem with the system is that if you take fatal fall damage, you know, normally everything would glitch out and freak out, but appears to be normal. Actually, I might need someone else who can prove my theory, because I'm gonna disable fall damage anyways, but like... Oh yeah. Melon. Hey! Does my name tag... Is my name tag inside the body or over my head? Oh. And Countmaster as well. Over. Wait, and what if I die again? Hey. If I die again. Is it still over my head? Huh. I guess that's not a problem anymore. Because, you used to be able to heal the player while he was dead. And because of that, when the player respawned, he was like in a undead dead state. He couldn't take any damage, his name tag was bugged out. But yeah. Normal damage first and then dying. You cannot take... oh yeah, you guys want... There you go. Up. You cannot take normal damage because of the custom damage system. Yeah, you see? You don't take any damage because of that. Guys, have up. Wait, did my... Some not go? Yeah. Still knockback though. Yeah. I want that to be knockback. I want knockback. Oh yeah, he hears me. Okay, now I need some kind of entity that actually applies damage to me. Like, for example, I wanna test if a little bit behind. Well, obviously the stream is a little bit behind. It's a stream. Yeah, let me quickly code in a zombie that should theoretically it's just gonna be fast. It's not gonna be permanent. After events, this is really not my style. This after and before events shit. For event. Kill things. Oh yeah, that might actually cause a bit of an issue. Third entity, yep, and this is the player, and then we just damage source. We don't need the damage source. Just need to check if the... Actually, let's use the damage source. Just to check if there is a damage source. Oh. Is it a property or a function? It's a property. Then herd entity dot skyle dot current HP minus equal to 20. Let's see if the health sinks. Can I show you my game test real quick? Like 20 seconds long? Sure. Okay. Wait. First, try to hit me. Where are y'all? Okay, that's sus. That shouldn't happen. Did I reload? Let's remove this. We don't need this one anyways, right? Why don't I take damage? Or maybe current HP doesn't exist. Yeah, I call it current health and not HP. Because apparently I like long names now. Oh. No, don't kill me with a command. Now try to hit me. What the fuck just happened? Why is it lagging so much though? Okay. Interesting. Let's not make it 20, let's make it 10. Oh. Oh! I spawn in with 0 health. Player spawn dot subscribe. Else dot max health. Like this? Need to reload. Huh? I'm under dying! Oh, because it's the... Yeah, the... Okay. Alright, that works. Not initial no, I wanted to be in the... initial... Fixed, it's fixed. Good, it's... okay. I really shouldn't have 0 health. But, okay, 1 sec. Player health. I'm just gonna replace it with floor. Ah. It's just 0. Well, I guess we can still hack in one-shottable items. What? How do I have... See, since I always have 1 heart extra, I'm just gonna do this. Is it because of regeneration? +1? No, -1. Nah, but like, this is just scam. I'm wondering if it even works at this point. Returns a boolean, but we don't know what boolean this is. This shit is compiling, right? Yes. Someone kill me. The camera shake. How long did you guys apply that to? 10 seconds. Okay, good. Yeah, someone kill me, please, because I'm not. Okay. No, please hit me once, just once. Can I join? Yeah, in a second. Just hit me one, and then I will join you. Just once. Sharpness. Okay. At least it's not like sharpness 10. Yeah. Hit me once, guys. Maybe play a kill if the health is 0 or less. And then yes. What the hell? It works! Right as I'm about to console log it. Okay, good. Let's see what Conmaster did. Guys, let's see what Conmaster... Bot killer. Oh no, did he... What the hell? Just invite me if I... No. If ah, there he is, bot killer. Hmm. I can't really connect. Can I? Detected lost connection. What is that supposed to mean? Locating server. Okay, okay. It cook. What the hell? Simulated player. Oh shit. Simulated players. Killer bot in test. Wait, so can it attack you and shit, or what can it do? It builds up. I didn't do much with simulated players, but this is interesting. I should do more with them. It's initial testing, okay. The problem with those... I should do something more then. Yeah. The problem with those simulated players is that they what if you opt them? Can you opt them? The players are cool? Yeah. They have a problem, and the problem is that... Can I opt them? Oh, you can! Huh! Just gave him OP. I require game test. Not only that, it's that they... Oh yeah, you mean the game test module, yeah. That sucks. And they need to be alive for a certain time, like you can't have them alive forever. For some reason. Maybe like some kind of test for that. Imagine getting kicked by a simulated player. Be funny indeed. Wait, can I do this? Can he like place blocks when he's a visitor? Nah! Get ratioed. Bro can't place blocks. It just despawns after... Yeah. I don't really get why those tests are a thing, but I'm sure. If it's funny how they blink with their eyes, yeah. That shit is... What's there? Failed to call function move to location. Nah, bro. This is cool though. Maybe I'll do something with simulated players too. But it's really sad that they're a game test exclusive thing. This shit has potential. Which is good, I think. Yeah. Like imagine that if you could just like make a PvP bot out of that. Whoa, okay. Okay. Yeah. What the Nah. Bros got them simulated players. Oh. 30. The lag. Look, it stopped at 43 and then just repeated. Oh, hell no. Do I get list and pause? Yeah. I mean, not all of them because they're just dying, but I think they're supposed to be. It's funny, but the beacons. Where's I'm gonna work on my project? And the funny thing, I think this has some really good potential. Oh, come on. 20. Okay, but this is because of something else. Okay. This is because of the main. So I think we could leave this, right? The player spawn, but this one is fine. Health, player health. Yeah, we can leave this here. But for the player damaging system, I want to do something else. Do assume plated to Grum or dinner bone. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Wait. I'm gonna abuse ChatGPT now. Because ChatGPT is really good when it comes to writing repetitive stuff. So wait, I'm just gonna clear all my previous conversations. Create an object in JS where the key is from the game Minecraft the entity's ID and the value being its damage that it can deal. Well, almost. Use the type ID with the name space Minecraft and use all entities, not just a few. ChatGPT is really good at getting abused. Yep, indeed. Oh, come on! Add more entities here. Like, you can do better, man. Add the missing entities. Okay. Guys, how often do you guys think I have to do that? Until I get a full list. He's testing you, indeed he is. Stray, Zombify Pigme, okay. You know, I'm not really sure if those are even the right damage values. I don't think that the creeper deals 220 damage. Nah. That's funny. Okay, I have a better text Da Vinci too. Okay, I have a better solution. I have a better solution. We're gonna use the hurt event still to apply damage. Another one. Event. Wait. Yeah, you can do entity event options. What? Entities, entity types? Entity. Entities. Well, what is the entities thing? It will only fire for entities and match entities within contained collection. You mean like... Like this? So that it will only trigger... Imagine he had boats and stuff. What the... There are 2001 players online. What the hell? Sniffer eggs. They look so weird, man. They just look wrong. So yeah, the damage. So yeah, let's first... Let's do this first. And then the damage. And the damage source. Which is... Or... Damage source... Oh, shit. Okay. Damaging entity. And if there's not damaging it. You can make yourself a similar player waifu. What the hell? Chat is on some different type of stuff right now. Current health minus equal to damage, and then I would do plus. Then the... Really? You ain't getting my PC down, bro. Others maybe, but... What? I just reloaded. Current health is not defined. But why? Display. But why? What did I do wrong? Why isn't it defined anymore? No, please don't. Why isn't it? Is there another error that happens when I reload? Display 21. Health display 21. Oh, I just... Nah! Current health. It changes sometimes. Like, what is this? This... Oh. Oh. Great. I get bombard. Let me relog. I think it's... There's no reason why it shouldn't work, no? Oh, native tab conversion failed. What was it? No, it's something with like native type conversion failed. Come on. Why are you doing me like that? Native. Oh. There. Native type conversion failed. Player health 6. I think I just messed up the those arguments. No, it has to be entity. So it has to be entity types. But did I hate it? I don't know what they consider an entity type in the type ID. Like they don't distinguish. It's really weird. But now it's working, I guess. Let's try to summon like a zombie or something. And see if he can damage me. He can damage me. That works. And there he is. Bamboo. Yes, bamboo. And melon. A lot of bamboo. Yeah, we also need a system where you regenerate health. Because as of right now, you don't regenerate health. Guys, how would we wanna do the health regeneration that it's so it is balanced? Like, what amount would be a good amount? It has to be based off your maximum HP, right? It has to be based off your maximum HP. Really? So... Times frag health regen this. What is this? OOP? What is this? Display style. Left fraction. Can you make this in English? Check in game. Hypixel skyblock health regen. Can you send me the link on Discord? I'm not gonna type that. I'm not gonna type it out, no. Have a Skyblock Venom Wiki health regen. Please send it on Discord, don't make me type it out. Oh, there we go. The max health divided by 100 plus 1.5 times your health regen divided by 100. So we need another stat for health regen, right? Is that what we need? Sure. Let's make another stat for health regen. Ow! Health regen. If you want to do this, yes, I want health regeneration to be a thing. Okay. There's no default health regeneration. Oh, there is. There should be. Health regen. Let's make the default health regeneration 1.5 or something. I don't know. Skull. I'm just gonna copy this because as defaults health regen 1.5 or something. Oh no, and then player health, and then system.run interval. We'll just every second or to get all players, because we want to only get the players that are alive. But I don't know, we can literally just map. I don't know, for things like this it really doesn't matter if we use map or for each, right? Skulls. Current health. I'm gonna use for each though. Why does this Subnautica players include the sounds of the fish? I'm just asking. Current health, max health. I also forgot one thing. Just a little thing. Oh, it's in game. Well, thanks for the troll. Current health, max health. Alright, let me just yoink the formula. Because I know that they yoinked it too from a different game. Oh my god, what, really? Yes. So the max health divided... What the hell? Divide by times 1.5. Times wait, it's not based off your current health? Okay. Doesn't matter. What the hell? I just said dragon. Oh well. Obviously it will overflow, but the amount is kind of shit. I think it's because of this. Yeah, that's more like it. So there are a few things that I just wanna do, because this doesn't look good at all. So, wrap it around, dot two, what? Dot two fixed. We're gonna have 2 decimal points. Then we're gonna take the number out of this. And inside the prototypes, the current health should never fix the display, not the damage, Lamau, or both. Both will work. Why am I using this for this? This is just player. Wait, what? Why did this work? Maybe it doesn't work, but I just never had the chance to test it out. You guys know what I mean. Which the two name thing? Oh no. Too bad. Not like I'm gonna use villagers anyways, right? Try to damage me. With can try to damage me with a sword? Something that deals a little bit of damage. But not too much. I'm regenerating. But my health doesn't update because it's not a hurt event. My health. Update health. Player. And just do this, no? Update health, player. Update health. What? No! I swear I copied this. Stop killing cats. Oh, I'm dead because I got splashed by freedom. Oh hi. Wait, I want to see if the health updates. It does yeah. It actually does update. Ah wait, doesn't update correctly. I think that's because of this. If I do this, then I can have 0 HP again. Come on, don't need to kill me. Yeah, well. Summon Husk. You see, I made 80 HP, but I still only have... I guess it works. Do you guys think that the decimal points look bad? Should we remove decimal points for health? Like, should there be any decimal points for health? That's what I'm asking. Yeah, remove them. But I'm only gonna remove them for the display, right? I'm not gonna remove them in the code-wise. Just for the display. Wait, no, this is removing it for the display. Okay. Stop, I need to... Yeah. And the display. Current health and then just... Maybe I should make like a function that player prototypes. Why? Or just return. Current health. Dot to fixed. Just to fix, right? And then I need to put it here. And then read only is a number. And then I can just display, and then instead of current health, omitted health. And then not only for this, current health. This? Reload. Yeah, of course. Undefined! My biggest enemy. Formatted health. Why though? Why is it undefined? Oh, that fixed it. But that ain't formatted at all. Or, oh no, it's because of for this entity it's different. Like, they use a different Okay, got it. Let me cook. This is not part of the Big step better, I'm being honest. Works. Damage me. I wanna see if it works. Except for me having 100 hearts, but Go harder for free. No sword. Regen too fast. Yeah. Obviously, you're punching with your fist. The health is wrong, right? Have you guys? Yeah. Did you guys see it? The health is calculated wrong. Oh come on! What did I do wrong this time? Wait, my parents are home. Right, I'm back. Did something happen? Okay. I need to know why the heck the health is being calculated wrong. You ain't gonna kill me anytime soon. Yeah, why? Oh, it's because of the netherite sword that deals so much damage that, okay, so it's not my system, it's just that the netherite damage is one-shotting me. How do I fix that? I mean, I'm not gonna use any kind of swords or anything, right? I'm gonna make my own ones, but... Wait, do I regenerate up to 100? Yeah, see? Now, my health isn't full. Because, I don't know. Because reasons. Why is my health not updating? I swear I... Yeah. Didn't I just... Oh, come on. Didn't I just do the system where it updates the health? Where do I even add the health? Stop. Wait, I did not? Wait, then where did I update the health? So I need to update the health here. And I need to update the health. I swear I used... Dude, those sounds are annoying AF. I'm gonna make them less annoying. Alright. Really? Alright, now it should be fixed. Slash summon zombie. Yep, it works. Nice. Now, is there a way I can give the player resistance, like, but not showing the effect? Like, I just need the player to not take any damage, but get the animation, get the knockback. Okay, so can I be of any actual help, lol? You wanna help with something? I mean, if you want, you can make the weapons or something, or like ideas for weapons, or like, or then actually implement them. I don't know, or what? Is there like a specific thing that you would like to do? Because here's the thing that we need to do: like entities, right? Then weapons. I mean, we will also need a backend, and I know that you're like kind of the backend guy. Like the just like a example on how I can connect with how is it called, the Mojang net server net to like a database of my choice. Maybe like a backend system. Because what will I even store in a database? Maybe like a ender chest with all your items. But item data isn't a thing anymore, right? So it will be hard to save the data, save items. I don't think that I... Bedrock add-ons there. I see. Fastify. What the hell is Fastify? Some kind of logger? Oh no, it's like... So it's like a API route thing or something. This is the important part. Without all the time thingies. It's literally just a HTTP request. Like, what kind of backend would be recommend, or like what kind of database, or yeah, what would you recommend? I mean, I probably won't be using a SQL one, right? As Mongo. You see, I cannot self-host, or like I probably won't be able to self-host. Maybe there's like... Actually, I might be able. I mean, I'm gonna buy a server for this, so, you know. I mean, I know that Vercel, the guy, the guys who made Next.js, also have like a database. And another Discord link that you have to... Oh yeah, you did. Yeah, MongoDB connection with, yeah. Actually, I already seen that. But if I use... Because look, the guys from Vercel also have like a database, or multiple. You can also connect other databases to them. Although I do not know how to like use them. You know. Like there are some integrations, but no. But latency though. I mean, everything is kind of running of a latency. Like in your example, right, with MongoDB, you even showed that that Minecraft itself has like a delay of like 50 ms, no? Like 2 ticks at least. Like there's always gonna be a delay of 2 ticks, no matter what you do. Minecraft is kind of a slow game. You can get response times of sub 1 ms or like around 1 ms. Really? Like in your example, hold up. Yeah, like what the hell is this? I have average ping 2 server and then from server, I see. Then I managed to get 1 millisecond response times. Those are most of the time placebo. Because the scripting engine handles things very weirdly. Because no, it's actually a bug, more or less. If I go into here, wait, let me show. If I do const start is equal to date now, it's a bug in the scripting engine. Then just console.warn date now, date now minus start. It will always be around 1 millisecond. Watch it. See? It's like around 1 millisecond. But if I do this, you can see the actual delay. Or not. Or I have to do it like here. Yeah, there we go. There, that's the actual delay. So yeah, it's a bug, if you can say so. Yeah. It's almost a certainty that you will not get 1 millisecond response times. Yeah, well, what should we do next? The weapons? I mean, we have the... Yeah, we need to do entities and weapons, theoretically. Let's try to make weapons. No? I think weapons will be funny. Also projectiles and stuff. Things that I already had solved. But I guess, yeah. Weapon. Then new file. Handler.js. Then folder names. Weapons. And maybe like another folder like ranged melee or whatever. But then we can do it later. So a handler. Oh wait, I got two. Ah yeah, that was the that was the 1ms thingy. Yeah. As I said, that might just be a bug. So what I wanna do for the weapon thingy is I want to dynamically import them because it sounds fancy. It's not. There's a very good chance it is. Yeah, for the weapon thing, I don't know if I want to create a class or just an object. Like you can literally just do const weapons. Oh, be right back. Okay. I can for const This needs to be an array, no? Do we want to make it with keys? Like that we have a weapon called, like, for example... I don't know, what is a weapon that we've used before? The Rift Maker, right? The Rift Maker, everyone knows the Rift Maker. Rift Maker, and then we have like all the properties of that weapon in here. Or do we want to make an array containing every property? Like, I don't know, like lore, rarity, name. Okay, we really don't need a name, but you get my point, right? Actually, do we even need a rarity? Yes, we need a rarity. I think this is kinda cool, the system. And what we could do is just take the object dot keys of weapons, and then for each x, I can just x dot. I see. Weapons of X, and then... Well, it doesn't show us the thingy. We can await import dot slash weapons plus X. Like this, so this would theoretically import a file called Riftmaker. Riftmaker.js. This would get imported by the handler. I'm kind of thinking of how I want to structure this. I'm back, hello. Weapon entry, add property, and then we can just... Hello, welcome back. Lore, rarity, name, and that's just an array of... Ah, it's not an array of something. Each key is a weapon entry, or like, yeah, each key has a weapon entry. Can I insert a type in here? Why did the async become commented? Or like... Oh no, this isn't a... I'm stupid. Well, what the fuck am I doing? So yes, I'm importing a file with the name. What do I want to do with this information? I need to pass it to somewhere. I'm in progress to get in 1 hour. I would say that the health system is pretty much done. So yeah, if you damage this, name is alright, and if I get damaged by like something... Oh wait, I think I already was in survival. Did the panda attack me? I don't really believe that the panda attacked me. So yeah. You see, I'm taking damage. And I have a regeneration, right? So I regenerate health. And yeah. Ha! Beat me up. Yeah. Yeah, and I regenerate. Oh yep, there you can see it. Just, yeah, exactly. And we'll also sync up with your HP bar. But the problem is that the netherite sword does a little bit too much damage and can, yeah, kill you even if you have HP, but we'll do something different. And now we're trying to do a weapon system. I would have to pass those thingies to like some kind of floor handler or I have to max every tick lol or unhurt. Unhurt, I'm setting the health to the health that is calculated with all that stuff. The problem is, because it's an after event, it's gonna happen always one tick after, right? Or like not in the time where you get actually hurt. That's a problem. I don't know. Like every tick, I'm already or unhurt. Every time I get hurt, I am setting the player's current hearts to the percentage that it would correspond to the health and max health, right? Yeah. Oh, bro. I'm thinking of, is there a way to disable sword damage? Just sword damage. I cannot use damage sensors because they would... I just wanna nullify it. I don't wanna stop the player from taking damage at all. I just wanna nullify the damage. I would just disable those weapons, or not disable them, but like... Can you edit the weapons, Jason? Like everything that does like... Don't think so. Well, there surely must be a way to make an entity... No? Because if someone has... I mean, resistance would work, right? Resistance. If I just give the player resistance, That would be completely fine. Then we don't have the problem with the fall damage, and we don't have the problem with the... Yeah. That would work, but I am disabling the use of resistance with that, no? Why are you avoiding damage sensors again? Because they completely disable the damage. I still want the player to be knocked back. I still want the player to play the animation, right? One way I could... And I'm not even sure if I use the damage sensor. Does the hurt event still get fired? Final type of damage, I know. I want to test it out. I want to test something out with damage sensor. If the hurt event still fires, you know. He's trying to attack me, but I don't think that I get any damage. Let's see. Player health. And I cannot apply... Yeah, then I would have to filter that. Or I can just set it to void. If, of course, damage sensors don't block void damage. If so, then I will have to change the damage sensor a bit. Yeah, let's not do that. Isn't the damage just 0? You think that it would be 1, that it would do something? Well... So let's filter anything but true damage or what? Attack. Then just deals damage. False. But I still can take other types of damage, right? But the hurt event doesn't get fired. Can you attack me once? Nope. Because it's also an attack. I want to see if the hurt event actually doesn't get fired or if it's just me being... Oh. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. I see. Attack me. Nope. As long as I don't get damage from the entity, it will not work. So yeah, that isn't an option. How did I solve that in the other run? The other one? I think I didn't. I think I just accepted it. just set to a jigsaw block. Do they even work in Bedrock? Kinda. Well, that's something then. Weapons. Oh. Weapon. Hey. How do we wanna do this with weapons? Imagine I have like this. Pick the keys. We do that. Nice. So what now? We just take the value and I mean, at this point we could also just use an array and, you know, okay, my food is done. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end it. Because I got food and I'm out of ideas and I need something to, you know, what? Yeah, and I need to, I don't know. Okay. Yeah, and I need to, yeah, mentally readjust myself. So, I would say, actually, one thing. I'm gonna make a channel in my Discord server. Hold up. Why can't I? Okay. I've created a new channel. Actually, no. This is not the case. It's actually like that. New game install folder. A tropical fish actually... It also confused me, but... There you see. Yeah. Okay, so I have this channel, and y'all can leave your suggestions for SKYLANDIA in here. So yeah, I'm gonna be heading off, and yeah, bye bye. Bye bye, guys.